Yep, I am in the shit. Hey, what's up? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road. So, this video is gonna be called No Bike, No Vlogging. Or am I vlogging? Yep, so it turns out that I do not have a bike, and I guess it might as well be as well because as you can see through this windshield, I am in the shit right now. It is now the second week that I am without my bike, and I was not going to sit at home again, not able to go anywhere without my motorcycle, so I decided that I would rent a car and head down to Philly. I am going down, taking this opportunity on a shitty day like today to go to RevZilla in Philadelphia. There I am going to get my girl a new helmet. So I'm going to check it out and at the same time probably hit a few attractions. And you know what I gotta do down in Philly, right? I gotta get a Philly cheesesteak with the whiz on it. Yeah, my bike has been in the shop now on the second weekend, or second week. It is getting a brand new stator. They're claiming that the charging problem is the stator and needs to be replaced. You might know this because I had posted something 2 weeks ago regarding the 12 volt on the gauge when it should be near 14 or just over 14 volts. So the dealership is holding on to the bike and they're doing their thing, and I'm hoping that maybe this weekend I can have the bike back. Alright, so I'll keep in touch with you guys. Talk to you soon, and signing out. Peace to everybody, and be nice to everybody.